Welcome to the world where robots navigate our streets. But what happens when they collide? In Los Angeles, a surprising encounter between a Waymo robotaxi and a serve delivery bot left many questioning the future of autonomous technology. On December 27, 2024, two highly advanced systems met under unexpected circumstances. The result? A headline-grabbing incident highlighting both the promises and pitfalls of a robot-driven world. The serve bot allegedly ran a red light, missed navigating a curb, and backed into the robotaxi's path, resulting in a collision at just 4 miles per hour. Neither robot sustained major damage, but the incident brings critical concerns to light. How did this happen? Why didn't the robotaxi avoid the bot? Who's liable in this case? Experts argue that issues like sensor limitations and lack of standardized inter-robot communication could have played a role. The incident reflects the need for refined algorithms and infrastructure changes to accommodate the rise of such technologies. While accidents like these remind us of the challenges, they also push the boundaries of innovation. Could incidents like these pave the way for smarter, safer, autonomous systems in the future? Share your thoughts in the comments below.